crossed for each and every one of you. And before we do announce the results, can you join me in congratulating every single act that's performed on the stage today? Because Warrington has definitely got talent, and the youngsters that have performed here this afternoon has definitely proved that. But it is a competition, and competitions have some winners and some that didn't quite make it. So unfortunately, some of you are going to be going home. If you don't get through, we are going to invite you back to take part again, possibly next week or the week after. So if you don't get through today, it's not curtains, it's not totally failure. We're going to invite you back again to perform for us and try again. But in no particular order, there's no first, second and third. There's 3 people that are going through, possibly a 4th, I don't know yet. So let's find out, in no particular order, the name of the first act that's going to be invited back to the big final and be in with a chance of performing in front of 8,000 people in Warrington Town Centre this Christmas. Who wants to tell me the first one? Is it you, Kelly? Right then, so the first act going through this afternoon is... Is that supposed to be a drum roll? That failed. Tumblebeach. We'll try again.
Hannah Stubbs.
Hannah Stubbs! Come on, Hannah! Wait, should we give her an applause as she makes her way onto the stage? Give the applause going, even if you don't know her. That's it. Now, you were very nervous, weren't you, earlier? And it's definitely paid off, though. The judges thought you were fantastic, and you've been invited to come back again in 3 weeks' time, the final. Is that okay?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
All right then. Here we go then. Our first contestant who's going through is Hannah. Right. 1 time, 2 to go. We're going to ask Gabby. The second act, in no particular order, going through to our final in 3 weeks' time.
Okay, well, in the words of a current Walker's advert, what's your flavour?
This is where we have to stand back. There's a whirlwind coming through. Flavour, everybody! These young ladies and boys are going through to our